Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay, why are you here?
We are here for the interview.
Okay, so would like to elaborate yourself a little further?
I'm Mr. Khan. I'm from Pakistan. I'm 32 years old.
Okay.
And currently now I'm here like I'm IT expert for the Bulbul Digital Media Company.
May I have your qualification, please?
I have done my BBA from Lincoln University.
Very good. Well, how old are you?
I'm 33.
Okay. What about your future ambitions?
I want to be IT expert and e-commerce expert.
Good, very good. What kind of proficiencies do you have in your personality?
I'm a hard worker.
My next question is about what are the deficiencies, if you have maybe one or two, any deficiency?
I'm aggressive.
Aggressive. Define yourself in one word.
Strong.
Strong, that's perfect. And what makes you happy?
Gathering with good people makes me happy.
What are you scared of?
Scared? You can say blind trust on people.
By the way, would you like or prefer in beverages?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Good. Which kind of the eating habit do you have? Maybe I want to ask simply that would you prefer in meat?
Salad all the time because I'm a diet person. That's I always prefer to eat salad.
Okay. So do you any kind of the healthy activities like sports or gym in your life?
Yeah, I'm a mixed martial arts teacher and I have second degree black belt in karate.
That's good. Perfect. According to your point of view, what's life?
It's a gift of God.
Good. Are you happy from it?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Good. And what are you proud of?
Alhamdulillah, I'm Muslim.
Wow.
It's making me proud.
Thank you. It makes me happy.
Thank you.
Shukran. Shukran. So my next question is about that if someone is having a lack of confidence, what he or she should do to boost his or her confidence level?
According to my perception, to seek the knowledge and try to deliver to the people.
Good. Have you ever been to a certain country?
Yeah, I have been to China, Saudi, Malaysia, and Georgia.
Very good. Very good.
Dubai.
How was that experience?
It was great.
What did you learn from your journey or from your excursion?
To meet with different people, to interact with the different kind of people, just made me very happy and also to get lots of experience from that.
Good. And currently you're watching that entire world is a like war-like situation, yeah? So what sort of the things we have to implement in order to prevail the peace in society?
Celebration of education and justice and
equal rights.
Equal rights.
Good. Do you have any kind of the specific message for the new generation? So what's the message of the day?
We have to eliminate the conservativeness in society to get the unity.
Very good. Wonderful. Powerful message. I really appreciate it a lot. It was nice meeting with you.
Thanks so much.
May God bless you.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.